Today is the most anticipated day. We wake up in Wiñaywayna at 3 a.m. while the mountain still breathes in silence and the lanterns light up the campsite. We leave early toward the checkpoint in the darkness because our porters must reach the railway at kilometer 107, where the only train of the day passes at 5:30 a.m. Waking up early is not just a tradition, it's an act of respect toward them. While we wait for the checkpoint to open at 5:30 a.m., the sky begins to brighten. Before arriving, the feared Gringo Killer awaits us, a steep stone staircase that tests both body and mind. Each step brings us closer to the end and, at the same time, to a new beginning. Once we overcome it, we reach the Sun Gate.
Hey, well done. Good job, chicos. Bravo, amigo. Good job, amiga. No, well done, amigo. Good job.
Machu Picchu appears, emerging through the clouds, bathed in the golden light of dawn. And for about an hour, observing a landscape frozen in time, the 𝐲𝐽𝐵 River winding through the valley below, the terraces, and the Guardian Mountains. We arrive at the main lookout, the place where postcards are born. Cameras rise, the pride of having conquered one of the most sacred trails on the planet. The guided tour reveals temples, fountains, and observatories that still breathe wisdom. Every stone tells a story. Every wall reflects a perfection only the Incas could achieve. Those who have the pass for Machu Picchu continue their journey to the summit of that imposing mountain. From there, Machu Picchu looks like a sigh, and every effort transforms into eternity. Send us a message. Alpaca Expeditions. Walk with your heart.
We did it with Alpaca Expeditions!